If you're struggling to convert leads into clients, chances are the problem isn't in your experience, but your follow-up. Let me share a quick story. I once worked with an agent who was fantastic during the showings, but barely followed up with the leads after the call. After weeks of silence, those same leads ended up buying, but with another agent, simply because their other agent stayed in touch. Here's the truth. We are in the days and age of Netflix, DoorDash, Uber. Clients expect fast, consistent, and personalized communication. Agents who master follow-up just aren't getting more clients. They're closing more deals. They're growing faster, and they're building a real business that lasts. Today, I'll explain why prioritizing your lead follow-up isn't optional anymore. It's a skill, and it separates top performers from the ones that are still waiting for callbacks. So number one, leads lose interest fast in 2025. In today's digital world, buyers and seller leads, they are filling out multiple forms across multiple platforms. So they expect a near instant response. That same lead that you're calling, they might also be getting called from your competitor. Studies show that calling within 5 minutes increases your chance of conversion by over 900%. If you're waiting hours or days to follow up, you already lost the business, okay? So now I understand sometimes newer agents or even just in a struggling market, there may not be an issue with follow-up because there's nobody to follow up with. But for instance, our team, we've been doing this for 20 years. We have built an active database with over 80,000 leads. And so unfortunately, sometimes we do fall short on our follow-up just due to overwhelming number of clients. For example, right now, we have over 500 leads that have been active on our website just in the last 30 days, and our team is just struggling to contact them all. Likewise, we also have over 400 sellers who are viewing their market reports regarding the value of their home, and we're just trying to make our way through that list. On top of over 150 hot leads that are buying and selling before the end of the year, and we're just trying to touch base with them too. Tip number 2, automated doesn't mean impersonal. In 2025, smart agents, they're using automated CRMs, drip campaigns, and AI-enhanced tools that recap the last conversations. They tell us who we need to prioritize calling, and they even tell us exactly what we need to say. From personalized text to follow-up videos and smart scheduling tools, there's just really no excuse for not calling leads. Number 3, follow-up builds trust. Here's something every top agent knows. Trust is built through repetition. When you follow up consistently, you're not just reminding them you exist, you're proving you're reliable. Over time, that consistency builds trust, and that trust earns you business. Before I leave an appointment, whether it's on the phone or in person, I will always plan the next time we're going to talk. And when I call, I reinforce that by saying, hey, I'm calling you back today, just like I promised. So if you're serious about finishing 2025 strong, it's time to stop leaving money on the table. Want to learn how to build a follow-up system that actually works? Call or email me and I'll walk you through strategies that our top agents use right now to convert all these leads into clients.